Hi there, I'm Amber, and this is the EZ Cottage, EZ Slate, and EZ Walk pavers. If you want the look of small pavers with easy installation of a large block, EZ Blocks are for you because, you guessed it, they make install easy. As you can see, they all have a different face pattern. And if you really want the look of individual pavers, put your paver locking sand on the face of these pavers as well as in between. EZ pavers also have a slightly different slate texture, either in a square or rectangle shape, which makes them perfect for a square or rectangle patio, but you can also cut them into curves if needed. No matter which one you choose for your project, you'll be happy with the easy installation and overall look. To learn more about the EZ pavers, visit our website or pick up your EZ pavers today at your local Menards store. Happy building!